In today's tutorial, we'll discuss the steps to fix age restriction problems on the Pinterest app, ensuring smooth functionality and access.to begin addressing this issue. Navigate to the app's settings by clicking on the designated option dot within the settings window, locate and select the apps section to access app-specific settings. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Pinterest, then click on it to proceed. In the subsequent window, click on Force Stop to halt the app's processes temporarily. Confirm the action by clicking OK. And proceed to manage the app's storage settings. Click on Storage and select Clear Cache followed by Clear Data. To refresh the app's data storage. Once the cache and data are cleared, restart your device to allow the changes to take effect. By following these steps diligently, you can effectively resolve age restriction issues encountered on the Pinterest app. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content.